how to save audio reels on Instagram. So if you found an audio reels you want to use or save for later on your Instagram account, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily save this particular audio reel so that you can easily use it whenever you want to. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to save audio reels on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app. Now, once you open the Instagram app, this could be on your Android and it could be on iPhone. Then locate the reel whose audio you want to save. So just scroll through the Instagram reels and then locate the audio you want to save. Then let's say this is the audio reel I want to save. Click on the music icon here. Then here you should say use audio, and this is going to be the audio. Just go ahead and click on the save icon at the top right, just beside the paper icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, then you can just go back. Now go back to your Instagram profile. On the profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Once you click on that, scroll down until say how you use Instagram and click on saved. Then here you should see audio. Is that? Then click on it. Then this is the audio. You can now reuse the audio whenever you want to upload your content on Instagram. So that is basically how to save audio reels on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.